and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are coming back, and welcome if you're new. So this is Jen of All Trades, and as you can see in the title of this video, I will be filming another makeup video today. So we will be doing the Google Picks My Makeup. So this one is very interesting because my initials are JH, okay? So that pulled up some interesting results. Let me show you. I'm gonna put it right there. As you can see, JH also stands for Jaclyn Hill. So I didn't get lucky to have her come up as one of my first picks because apparently, I think that how this works is I have to pick the very first one that comes up, which is this one. And that's the one that I have to go with as far as my inspiration and the colors. So as you can see, there's some greens, like a lime green, there's orange, there's blue, there's pink. So lots of vibrant colors to work with. So that is exciting. I think that I really lucked out on this because it's vibrant colors, which definitely suits me and how I like to do my makeup. So that's awesome. So let's get into it. So to start off this look, I am going to be using, first of all, the method that I'm using for today. I'm totally gonna steal it from you, Nikki Tutorials, because you're the first one that I saw that did this Google Picks My Makeup thing. And it was on my to-do list, and I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon and do it. So you were doing a type of patting motion when she was applying the eyeshadow. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm getting my my brushes. I keep in my little baggie here. So I'm gonna do that. And also, if you're coming from my last video and you are a follower, subscriber to my channel, then you know that I am in the middle of doing a giveaway because I am so excited. We made it to the 50 subscribers. So thank you so much. So this is the video right after that. As of now, the giveaway is active. It is active today as of May 10th, 2018, and is going through until May 25th, 2018. So if you're watching this video between that time frame, then the giveaway is active right now. And the link for it is below this. And if you want to get more details and information about the giveaway, how I'm doing it, how you get more entries, and what you can do, then that video will be linked in the info cards as well, so you can get more information on that. So yeah. So to start out this look, because orange is the predominant one and the little word that says job is orange. So orange will be my main color, and then green seems to be the next most predominant, is the lime green. So that's what I'm gonna be working with mostly, and then there is the pink and the blue. We're just gonna play with it and it's gonna be crazy. Okay, so to start off the look, the first thing that I have to do, because I want this to pop, is I am going to put some concealer on my eyelids as a primer to get it going. And I am a big fan of using your fingers. And so some of you beauty people out there are like, what is she doing? Why are you using your fingers? Well, I don't have a lot of brushes, and the ones that I do have, I need for my eyeshadow. So I'm using this as my primer and my finger because it works. That's why. Because it works. That looks a little crazy right now. Okay, I think that is good. I feel like I need to let it dry or something. So let's move in a little bit closer. Okay, let's start out with orange. And My favorite, as you know, I'm using the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette for most of this because she happens to have the Tajin orange and the lime thyme, which are the two main colors that I really need. So let's go with the orange. I'm gonna do, I think I should do 3 on the top. What do you think I should do, guys? Okay, we'll do lime green in the center, and then I'm gonna do pink and orange. Let's do orange in the middle. Patting. Let's see how it goes. Okay. I can already tell you now that I've done both eyes that the orange is a bit darker than what I thought it was gonna be. So this is already gonna be a messed up look, but it's just for fun. Probably not wearing this out in public. So we're gonna go with it, and it might look crazy, but we're gonna try and fix this problem, and hopefully the rest of it will make it look better. So next, using the same brush, and I did clean it off, I'm going in with the lime thyme, and we're gonna do the inner corner. Again with the padding. Oh wow, that's amazing. Kind of blending it a little bit into that orange. That is wow. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. All right. The orange and the green is done. All right. So the next color that is part of my Google pick is pink. So I'm gonna go with the Spitfire. This is the Spitfire right now. It's a bright shimmery pink. It's a pretty pink though. It kind of goes, it does match well with my inspiration picture. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner, and again with the padding motion, I'm really liking the padding. Like, it feels like it really definitely packs, like packing it works so much better than the smearing it around and the blending it. It really definitely goes on there well. I'm a little jittery because I drink a lot of coffee, and that tends to happen to me. I have a coffee problem. The orange and pink actually go really well together. Bring it out a little bit on the outer. I'm gonna have to blend this in a little bit. Okay, because I'm looking like a clown. Yeah, I could probably be good at clown makeup. So now that both eyes are done, I am going to take this and kind of blend it out at the top, so it's not such a harsh line. That's so much better. Look at the difference. That's so much better. Very nice. I love that. All right, it's not too bad, right? Wait, I can dig it. I can dig it. Okay. Next, what I'm gonna do is, okay, I'm going to use one of my little brushes. And I'm gonna incorporate. Let's go with the little. This is the smallest one that I have. This is called an eyeliner brush. It's not like for like wing or nothing, but it's still like it's a good size little brush on it. I'm gonna use that to incorporate, there is a light blue in the picture as well. So we have the green, the orange, and the pink, and then we'll do the light blue on the under eye, the bottom part. Okay. And I am drawing this one on. I feel like it goes on better that way. And you know, benefit to doing this padding thing is there's no fallout. Like it literally just packs on your eye, and you're not brushing it everywhere, you know? Put the blue underneath. I don't know why that song just came in my head. I mean, I do have lime time in my eyes. I'm singing in my head. Put the lime in the coconut and stick the lemon. Put the lime in the coconut. Don't judge. No judging. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's go with it. And now that I have the other eye done, because there is a white background, I feel safe and that it's okay for me to go ahead and put some white on the inner corner, mostly on the bottom lash line area. It's a lot of eyeshadow on there. Oh, there. That looks good. I feel like it really makes it pop. We're good. I love it. Now I'm going to finish it with some black eyeliner. So I'm not seeing any black in the picture. I feel like to be true to the challenge, I cannot do my winged black liner because there's no black in the picture. So for once, I'm not gonna do the liner, but I do have it on my lower, you know, I feel like it really makes it look better, but I do have a little bit of a wing going on created with the eyeshadow, so that's okay. And then of course I am going to do my mascara and probably some lashes because a glam look like this doesn't look good if you don't have lashes, right? I mean, I like to be extra with it, extra. Okay. And stay tuned because I'm coming up with a good word for you guys to put in the comments for the giveaway. So let me do my lashes. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have my eyelashes on. Of course I am using my Ardell magnetic lashes in the double wispies. If you want to know how to put those on, then I will also leave that link in the info cards as well, or at the end of the video. You can find it to learn how to put those on. They're the only kind that I wear is the magnetic ones. So to finish the look, I am going to do some powder to set everything. I like to, it's kind of weird, you get rid of the shine and then add more shine where you want it to be. I just feel like it kind of makes it all come together. And I don't wear foundation if you've never watched any of my videos before as far as makeup. So that is like my setting thing. And then for blush, I am using my Tarte brush. Blah, blah. It's called Partey. You can't read it. It doesn't focus. P-A-A-A-R-T-Y. 12-hour blush. And I love Tarte. Their stuff is really good. Okay. Get a little color back in my skin. And then I am going to do some highlighting. And then I'm gonna finish the look with a pink lip color. And I have a little trick for that as well because I use, again, with my fingers. for the highlight because I like to use my fingers for stuff. Okay. And I'm still not really great at the whole highlight thing. We learn together. Okay. That is crooked as hell. Oh no, tell me I should be using a brush for that. I don't have a brush. Another one. Okay. Okay. And then for the lip, okay, I have a little bit of color on now, but I'm gonna do a little trick, okay, to get the pink color that I want, because I feel like the pink is really gonna make this look, because it's just a pretty color and I don't want orange lips, then you gotta at least use one of the colors from my picture. So I'm gonna use a matte, just a regular, this is a cheapo matte color, LA colors, like dollar store type stuff, okay? Okay, there's the matte lipstick. And then to get the pink color that I want, I'm going to use, again, my fingers. It's the best tool you can have. And pink eyeshadow. Which is also really good for making that matte finish that is so big and that I personally enjoy. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty. I'm loving it. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Okay, so for the giveaway, what do I look like? You know what this reminds me of? I came up with this, okay? As I was doing it, it's pretty funny. I feel like the old chewing gum from back in the day, zebra stripes. So the bubble gum with the different colors and stuff, it's pretty funny. So for an extra entry into the giveaway, comment below zebra. So that is your word for the giveaway. So like I said, comment zebra below, and if you want an extra entry into the giveaway. And this is the final look. So hope you guys liked the video. Give me that big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to check out the giveaway video, which has all the details for how to enter and all the little special stuff I'm doing to give you the extra entries. And then you'll understand what the word zebra means if you don't, or the word that I was speaking about if you're not already familiar with it. And I guess that's it. So like I said, thanks for watching, and I hope that you like this. I think it turned out really well. That picture actually was very inspiring and it worked out pretty good. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos if you are not already a subscriber. All of you mean the world to me, so thank you very much and have a great day. I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye.